Hello, parents, guardians. Hope all is going well. Hope everybody's safe and happy and healthy. I don't know about happy, but at least the other two. Just want to give you a quick little video here, like I did last time, of what you need to focus on, what we call, our standards are, so you don't get, overburdened with what should I teach you, what do they need to know? Oh, they know that. This is kind of what they need to know. Kind of narrows it down, what they should know. We have another week, next week, this week, and next week. So these 2 weeks of shapes. And these are the things we should cover for shapes and for reading. Recognize and draw shapes having attributes, given a number of sides, angles, and faces. That should be well covered and explained. It's easy to explain. Faces, vertices, angles. Angles, I don't know that they covered that much. Right angle, obtuse, acute. If it's less, if it's thin, it's cute. If it's less than 90, if it's more than 90, it's obtuse. It's big. And doesn't matter, like I said, which way. So acute, right, obtuse. Which, just in case you want to cover it, that's what it is. Partition a rectangle into rows and columns. We've always explained it in second grade, and you'll hear it from ever if you've never heard it. Columns go up and down. Row your boat. You row across. Rows go across. Columns help support a building. They go up and down. You can't support a building this way, so columns help support a building up and down. Row across. They need to know how many there are of columns and rows. So literally divide something up, separate it unevenly. So if there's this way and this way, 3 columns, 4 rows. Just separate a rectangle. It's the easiest way of doing that. Kind of asking them that way. Or darken it is another way. Do a whole thing and darken a portion of it in, and then say how many rectangles and how many rows and how many columns are darkened in. Another way of doing it. But that's about it. We have another week of that till the 28th or whatever it is. I have a calendar in front of me. Give a number of sides and shapes. Partition a rectangle. Reading, something that's kind of new we're going into. Compare and contrast. So compare is the similar ways. Contrast is the differences. Venn diagram. Easiest way of doing it. They know how to do it. 2 circles connected. What's in the middle is what's similar. What's on the outside is the 2 different stories. One story here, one story here. Let me see if I can do a quick one for you. A pen I do not have because I'm at a desk, and there would be no pens here. Semper Paratus, always ready. Give me 1 second. Okay, so that is a Venn diagram. In the center is what's the same. The outer circles are what's different. Same in the center, different on the outsides. That's a Venn diagram. That's the easiest way. So one story's here, the other story's here. How are they similar? How are they different? Do one of those. I'll post a link. I'll try to. We did Yes, Shin, and Cinderella. I'll probably post that in the descriptions below. Maybe a couple other ones if I can find a couple other ones that are similar, easy to understand. But Yes, Shin is one that they did for Cinderella. They probably won't know with everything going on, so I'll put those links too. Use information gain. This is what I'm just going to get into. Information gained from illustrations to demonstrate understanding of, the other one was compare and contrast 2 or more similar stories from different cultures. Yes, Shin was Chinese, I think, and then, of course, Cinderella being American. So I'll put some more. Use information gained from illustrations to demonstrate understanding of its characters, setting, or plot. Easiest way is picture books. Going online, internet. If you have picture books, hard copies, that's great. If you don't, if you have on the internet, point at a picture, what does that tell you? What does that say? What's that picture? How does that picture help us? Why is there a picture there? What is in that picture that is helping us tell the story? How is it the story? How's that picture helping us relate to the story? Is it a character? What character is it? Is it a setting? Where does it take place? If it's the plot, how do we know that in the picture? How do we know what's going on with the plot? How does it further the story? But that's the key to that. Just illustrations. How do illustrations help us gain understanding of a story? Let's see, and I think that's it. Like I said, just want to make a quick little video, very short. Like I said, we're under 5 minutes here, or 5 minutes. Just want to say hello. I'm going to do a Zoom, like I said, normally Fridays. I'll do one at 10 and one at 6. 10 in the morning, at 6 at night. Make both, or make whichever you can. Have your kids meet. They like to talk. Try and get them involved with talking to their classmates. And I'll do one, yeah, today's Thursday, so tomorrow, Friday. Thanks, on Fridays. Thanks, bye-bye.